here at the shop, and today we are going to start working on the headlights. As you can see, they are a little bit fogged, just a little bit, which is normal. That's what happens on an old vehicle. So we're going to pull it into the shop here, and Mervin and I are going to start trying to clean that up and get some brighter light out of the front of the car. Let's go.
With our special windshield here, we'll get through this.
Oh man.
Oh right, window.
It's not fitting right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully the next one will fit better.
Well, it's in here. It just needs the motor.
Yeah.
I think, unless we have a crossed wire or bad wiring.
Oh, yeah. We should show everybody that.
Yeah, we did some more fiddling around.
Right.
The inside of the door here is in the back. We fiddled around with it a little bit after we cleaned it up on Saturday.
Yep. So.
And so that's what it looks like now.
Yep. Motor's somewhere inside there, so we gotta pull it apart sometime and see what's inside there.
I think it's right in here, or this might be it.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
We
We'll
can
have to
Google
see.
We'll Google it.
Okay.
Don't tell me I hooked it up wrong. I know I did, but the way I hook it up, and it charges faster.
There you go.
Starts up like a charm.
That's for sure. Oh. That's because of the throttle positioning sensor, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm not gonna get over how much fun this car is. I'm really not.
So how are we gonna start it again? Just.
Good question.
Thank you. We'll figure it out.
The throttle positioning sensor is what's supposed to be up, but my dad said on our van, that's what they told him was wrong. And in reality, it was just a wire had rubbed so much, it was crossing over, like shorting out.
Oh, I see.
So I want to check that before I go and buy a new throttle positioning sensor.
Okay.
But, it could easily be the throttle positioning sensor. Either way, it's a cheap fix.
Right.
Someone dumped oil here. That wasn't a leak. That was me dumping it. When I refilled
Nice and
the oil.
shiny there.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'll trace that line there at some point. Right now we're working with these though.
Sweet. Well.
So, what's the first step?
I'll get the stuff ready and yeah, we'll go from there.
Okay.
So we've got our sandpaper here from very fine to very coarse, except we'll use the coarse first. And then we've got our masking tape, make sure we don't hit any of the paint, and our cordless drill. So, yeah, we will start doing stuff.
Okay, all taped off, and the next step is to throw your water on the headlight, and then we're starting with, which grit is that?
800.
800 grit sandpaper. Yep. That's already looking better. Look at the difference just in that little bit, just with the 800 grit. Now we're moving on to a 1500, right?
Yep, that's what this
1500 grit sandpaper. continue sanding on that, and I'm over here taping this headlight off. Wow. So now we're moving on to 3000 grit sandpaper. It's taking maybe 45 seconds between switches. Look at, I mean, that is just crazy how quickly that works. I've never actually seen it done this way.
Oh yeah.
That is insane.
Yeah, it's fast.
That is hard to believe. Wow. Okay, 3000 grit, here we come. For the final step.
So what you want to do is just get yourself a pad like this, and then this is just basically plastic lens cleaner, and just
for the record, Mother's is not a sponsor yet.
Not yet. Yep. So
I stole that from another YouTuber.
Oh.
Except it was
That's
about
fine.
Milwaukee in his case.
There you go. But yeah, and you just spread it on.
That's one headlight finished. It's so visible on it's even more visible on the camera, I think. The difference.
Yeah,
it is crazy. That stuff is great. That stuff is really great. Yep. So this headlight's taped off, ready to go. Is that a crack? No, it's not. One thing I do want to mention, especially on your corners, and I did it on the overlaps as well, is just double tape it, just so it doesn't peel up and you go get crazy off into something else. Is this mud?
Oh, it's just this stuff spraying off.
Oh.
So it's basically...
I was like, I thought we washed the thing.
Yeah, it's basically just sandpapering.
That is amazing, the difference. Well, now on to the second headlight while I de-tape the first one. We figured while we were at it, we'd hit the emblem too, here. It's not blue though, like no, Subaru emblems are normally blue and this is a gray.
It's like a... Yeah.
I wonder if it's faded.
Yeah,
but
shine it up, see what happens.
Yeah, we'll see. So, it looks like it needs it. We're gonna hit it with just the 1500 and the 3000 and then polish. And there. That's what it is now. Look at that. Cleaned right up. Nice little clear orb there. Just take all this off. That looks so good. Headlights are done.
Yep. I am so proud of myself.
It does look good. It really, I mean, just the difference even just between those, like, man, that is crazy.
It's like we spent money for a whole new set of headlight covers.
That's amazing. Now we have to debate as to whether or not we want to do the rear.
I mean, if you've got the time, I do so.
Well, I mean, look at it. Does it need it really? It's not terrible. It really isn't.
Honestly, if we took, what I would do is just take 3000 grit over it And then polish it, and I think that'll.
I think I would do 1,500 and 3,000, but
Yeah, we can do that.
I don't know.
I mean,
This is underneath, right? This isn't a, yeah, it's inside, so that's not a sticker.
oh, that's good. We might run out of battery though if we do 1,500 first. If we find the other battery somewhere around here,
Okay.
that'll probably be enough to.
Well, yeah, I guess just hit it with the 3,000 and then the polish and then figure,
See if that looks good or not.
yeah, see what it looks like. I got trash.
Now we use the rag to dry it off. Yep.
That looks incredible.
Oh, dude.
Oh, it brings out so much more color. It really does. It just,
Yeah, it pops like.
oh, that looks
nothing.
so good. Matt's gonna go like and be even more impressed in the interior when he sees that.
Yeah, move some streaks.
Probably a cat sleeping.
Dude. Yeah, I didn't think it'd make that much of a difference.
It really, that's just,
That is-
wow. That is quite the difference.
That is very satisfying.
That looks really good. Wow. Look at this, guys. Look how much better it is. Can you even see it? Look how much the Subaru pops now. You can actually see Subaru on there. It looks so good. Man. And that took about 9 minutes to do.
I mean, yeah, it didn't take long.
That whole back end. Well, I can see here on the camera.
Oh.
9 minutes and 30 odd seconds. Look at that. That is amazing. Well, that's all the lights, guys. We got the headlights done. We're gonna tentatively replace the fog lights. We'll figure that out later. We did the emblem and the tail lights. Oh, it looks so good. It really does. It looks so much better.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to do that much to the taillights, but man.
That just, now you can actually see the Subaru. Like, it really pops out at you. That is crazy.
It reflects like it's supposed to.
We need to clean all this,
Oh, yeah.
dust off the,
It'll come off then, but yeah.
oh, it'll be, I'm not worried about it coming off. I'm just
okay.
thinking, while we're here, why would we not clean it up right? Whoops. Then once your 3,000 grit in the water.
So yeah, that's looking nice and shiny there.
That thing, that 12 is definitely bad.
Yeah. That's dude. Yeah, that is blinding. Oh yeah.
It just seemed when I started up, when I pulled in versus now, it's
Yeah.
so much whiter. Wow.
It's like,
That is so much better. It
Oh,
really
yeah.
is. That is incredible.
then once you do that, get new fog lights or whatever we're gonna do with that. Oh yeah, gonna have lights.
Oh, yeah.
That was close. Dude, that was really close. It's playing games, trying to get as close as it
throttle
can.
positioning sensor in here, and it's not the throttle positioning sensor, I am not going to be happy.
Yeah,
That means it is really the fuel pump.
right.
I don't know where he took it to get I don't know where he took it for a checkup, but hopefully they're right.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, I guess we'll take this around and park it.
Okay.
And then we will see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and if you don't like the video, hit the dislike button twice, just to get us to the point.
No, seriously, do it. I'm not gonna run that fast. I can't see anything. Oh, bye folks.